Hi guys, we're doing a build it challenge. So we're just going to be building random stuff that people ask us to do. Okay, let's get right into it. Hey guys, this is the ending of the video. But we didn't get to see Rito's time lapse. But we did my time lapse. It's just because the video wasn't working correctly because it kept blacking out when we tried to make it. So here's Rito's house. This is a more modern house because you can actually, this one has a gun on the side and a flick fire. I know the bullet's down, but it's a flick fire right here. And it actually has a mustard tank and a bucket and a pan to flip stuff in. But the thing is, it can fly because Rito added jets in, so it can go. But then my house is very different. Look at the walling.
Too classical.
Very weird. But the thing is, he got a regular door. He didn't have to go into the work. All he had to do was install the door. I had to build the door. So mine was like this. I built the door like that.
Yeah.
And I have this thing where I can go pick up packages and bring them into the house easily. And there's a camera right here because it's taking a video of a guy in the chair, if there was a guy in the chair. So it's taking a video here, and there's lights right here. That just fell off. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed our video. Guys, see you next time. Bye.